All right, hello everybody. Welcome to math. Today's lesson is a little bit easier than yesterday's, and if you like working with patterns, this is the lesson for you. Place value patterns with numbers. I can use place value patterns to mentally count by ones and tens from a given number. Let's start with the solve and share. Write the missing numbers in the chart. Be ready to explain how you found the missing numbers. Now, we could just count, right? That's the slow way. Let's look for some patterns. All right, I'm going to start at 51 and I'm going to go down. 51, 61, 71. What would go there? Think about the pattern. Good. 81, 91, 101, 111. Good. 121. 131. Let's do that again going down. 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Sorry, it's a little sloppy. 102, 112, 122, 132. Okay, we're going to go down again. 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, 113, 123, 133, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104, 114, 10 more, 124, 135, 134, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106, 116, 126, 136, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107, 117, 127, 137, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118, 128, 138, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119, 129, 139. Whew, one more. I sure hope you're starting to realize that when we go down, we're moving 10, right? 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Whew. All right. So that is one pattern that we can recognize. That when we go down, we notice that the digit in the tens place goes up one, but the ones digit stays the same. All right, for the visual, I'll just talk you through it because I know you can't hear it on the screen. There's our robot guy. Notice they have the ones digit in red. When you go across the row, what do you notice happens to the one digit? Yes, it changes, right? It goes up one. So if you start at 37, now you're just going backwards. So notice the tens digit stays the same. And that's in blue. Hmm? So remember, when we go up or down, we're going 10. Look at the table and just look for some patterns that you are noticing. What do we notice about all of the black numbers? They are all 5s. Let's look at the blue numbers. Well, the blue numbers on the top, all 3s, right? Then 4s, then 5s. It's showing you how the 1s digit changes, how the 10s digit goes up or down. When you go down, each number changes by 10. All right. They want us to go from left to right, and they're asking us what we would get. Okay. So here we go. 537. Well, what comes after 7? 8. Good. 538. Just counting by ones. What would be next after 551? Think about it. Going up by 10. 541, 551, 561. Counting by ones and tens to 100 and to 1,000. All right, so let's get to it. This convinced me we're going to do during our Zoom meeting. Guided practice. All right, the first one is already done for us. It's coming out very sloppy when I write the numbers in, but we got this. All right, let's just start out with a simple counting by ones. Let's go across the row. 412, 413. Wow, that's not letting me write very well. All right, instead of me writing it, we're just going to say it. Okay, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418. Okay, so when we did that, we counted by ones, and the ones digit went up by 1 again. Let's try it again. Start at 422. Count with me. 422. We're going across. 432. 400. I'm sorry, I messed up. 422. 423. 424. 425. 426. 427. 428. One more time. We're at the bottom. Again, we're going to count by ones going across. 432, 433, 434, 435, 436, 437, 438. All right, so we did, so far, our solve and share, we did by tens, and for guided practice, we did by ones. All right. Now we're going to do it again. So let's start with number 3. I will try to do the writing. I feel like I should be writing. Okay, 884, let's count by ones. 885, 886, 887, 888. Okay, now that you've got your top done, now we can do it easily and count by tens. Now we're going to go down. Start at 884. 884, 894. Notice now the tens digit is changing. The tens digit is the one in the middle. All right, let's skip that one's done. 885, 895, 905. All right, here we are, 886, 896. Now, let's just say that you get to 896 and you see that bottom box and you don't know how to count by tens for that one. Well, that's okay. Just count by ones going across. 904, 905, 906. So you can mix it up for when you need the help. All right, let's try counting by tens. 887, 897. Remember, the tens digit changes. 889. What comes next? 899. Now, let's just say, and this is just where I think a lot of you will have a little bit of trouble because you're switching to a different number. So you can count by ones. 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909. Now, again, it's fine if you're able to do the mental math, great. If you're not, it's okay. All right, here we go. I always do the top row before I start doing tens. So I see 146 before me. Okay, I see I see 146. But in front of it, I see a blank box. So we're gonna have to count backwards. What comes before 6? 5. Okay. 145, we're going across. 146, 147, 148, 149. Now, choose your strategy. If you want to do it all by ones, you can, but we're going to try going by tens now. We're going down. So we're on number 4, going down. The tens digit will change. The tens digit is in the middle. 145, 155, 165. Okay, next row, or column, I'm sorry. 146, 156, 166, 147, 157, 148, 158, 168, 150, 160, 170. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then you're going to do number 6 and number 7 on your own. I'll have it all filled out in Class Dojo or just write them down on paper. So just hold on a second. Let's do one together here so you can see this way. All right, when you have these lines, we have to count by ones. 156, I'm sorry, I'm messing up a lot. 456, 457, 458, 459, 460, 461, 462, 463, 464, 465. Simple. This is an easy lesson, and I think it's going to be great for you to get that extra practice. So, okay, I'm having trouble getting this to go down. All right, I want you to do number 6 and 7 on your own. So just get out a piece of paper if you want to do it that way. If you're really great in the portfolio section, I'll have it there and you can just type it in. Okay, so if you don't want to write it down and you want to just go in the portfolio section, then you don't need to get the paper. But for those of you that need it, you're going to write number 6. And you're going to have to write these numbers: 620, 630, 640. What comes next? Okay, so you have to fill in the missing blanks. You know what? To make it even easier, Just, okay, write number 6 and draw the blanks and write what would come in the blanks, okay? So do number 6 and number 7. So if you want to just copy the whole thing down, that's fine too. Sometimes it's easier when you can just see it all in front of you. All right, I'm going to end this video. So if you're still writing, just go ahead and pause the video right here and copy it down. Okay, so again, if you're writing this down, number 6 and 7, pause the video because I'm going to end it. All right, everybody, I'll see you on Zoom at 12:30, and we will be starting with comparing and contrasting the Three Little Pigs and the wolf story. All right, bye.